Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about the floating point representation in IEEE Sign 54 standard. So the given question is represent 124.125 in decimal number system in single and double precision format. So we know that IEEE Sign 5 standard specifies single and double precision format for the representation of real numbers. Okay, so let us see the steps. So step 1. So in the initial step, we will convert the given decimal number into the binary number. So convert to binary number. So I have already converted this value to the binary number, and the value is 10011011010.001, right? And the second step is convert. After the conversion to the binary number, we have to normalize the number. So what does it mean by normalization? So we see that decimal point is here. So we will shift the decimal point either right or left so that there is only one digit before the decimal point, and which is 1. So we will shift the decimal point towards the left. So how many digits we will shift the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after the shifting, my decimal point will come here and the number will become 1.001100100001. So we see that the decimal point is here, and before that we have only one digit, which is 1. Now I have shifted the decimal point towards left. It means that I will multiply it by the 2 raised to the power plus 10. So this step is actually known as the normalization of the number. So after this step, we will perform the step 3, in which we will calculate the biased exponent value. So in case of the IEEE Sign 54 standard, we know that one point is not stored into the system. They are implicitly assumed, and after the decimal point, whatever I get, this is actually known as the mantissa. And this power of 2 raised to the power 10 is actually known as the true exponent. Right. So in case of the single precision format, it is a 32-bit format, and the bias value is fixed, which is plus 127. Right. So to represent the number in 32-bit format, we will calculate the biased exponent. And the biased exponent is nothing but true exponent plus 127. So this will become 10 plus 127 in decimal number system. So I will convert it into the binary value, and the binary value is 10001 001. Right. So how to represent the number into the 32-bit format? Let us see that this is the 32-bit format. So 1 bit is reserved for sign, 8 bits are reserved for exponent, and 23 bits are reserved for mantissa. As the number is positive, so the first bit is 0. And 8 bits are used for exponent. Exponent means biased exponent. So my biased exponent is already of 8 bits, 336 plus 2. So I will put the value here. If you are getting lesser number of bits, then you will add the zeros before the binary number. So I will put this value 1 001 001. Right. Now I have to write down the mantissa. So this is my mantissa here. So I will write down the value of the mantissa here. 001101 001 001. And rest of the bits up to 23 bits, they will be 0. Right. So all these are the 23 bits. Actual mantissa is this. Okay. And the system will add all these bit values up to the 23 bits. So this is my representation in 32-bit format or single precision. Right. Similarly, we can represent in double precision format or 64-bit format. So in case of the 64-bit format, the bias value is different. The bias value is 1023. So what is the value of exponent? Biased exponent. This is nothing but true exponent. True exponent is 10 and the bias value is 1023. So I will get 1033. So I will represent this value into the binary. So the value is 1 000 000 1001. This is in binary. So how to represent it into the 64-bit format or double precision format? 1 bit is reserved for sign, 11 bits are used for biased exponent, and 52 bits are used for mantissa. So the number is positive. The first bit will be set to 0. Now how many bits are there? 4, 7, 10 or 11. So I will write all these 11 bits here. If you have the lesser number of bits, then you can add the 0 before the binary number. And I will put the value of the mantissa. So my mantissa is 0011 01 001 0001. And rest of the bits will be set to the 0. So this is my mantissa and rest of the bits here up to the 52 bits, they will be set to 0. Right. So this is the way we can represent a number in single precision and double precision format using IEEE 754 standard. So for any comment, you can write to me. Thank you.